Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS, James here. How are you today? We are looking at the job finish in the Volkswagen Amarok. This one 2021, and it's already been done with the new 9-inch premium setup, including wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, which you see wireless Android Auto on the screen. Just nothing we have to mention. Everything hooked up to the car very nicely, and steering wheel control connect, radio AM FM connect, 2 USB port, and it has wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and it connect to the factory reverse camera and factory steering wheel, dynamic steering wheel, guide light control. So it's absolutely there, and also it also connect to factory air conditioner control showing up on the screen like this. So as soon as you control here, you can see it over there. Even though that you don't get the capacity to connect and control on the screen, you still are able to see exactly what you are controlling over there. So that's a good thing. So yep, everything is already done, and yeah, we just let it waiting for collection. And if you want to know the factory head unit, actually it is here, this one, and that is the version. Okay, so it's made in Poland. Nice one. But yep, it is not necessarily need to be here anymore because we have already the new version over here. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.